Welcome back to The Explainer. If you're a focused learner trying to figure out the actual genuine science behind healthier, fuller hair, well, you are definitely in the right place today. We're going to be diving into the fascinating strategy behind Dr. Groot. They are widely recognized as the #1 Korean hair care brand, and we're going to see exactly how they are completely redefining foundational hair care.
So what exactly is the Korean secret to revitalize hair? I want you to take a quick second to rethink your current routine. Think about it. Most of us focus entirely on the strands of hair themselves, right? We're just applying temporary fixes to the ends. But the true secret, the real approach that has skyrocketed this brand to the absolute top tier of Korean hair care is rooted, and yeah, pun absolutely intended there, in the foundational health of where your hair actually begins. And we've got the hard science to back that up today.
Let's talk numbers, starting with 82.2%. That is not just some flashy marketing claim. It's a rigorously tested clinical result. By using the Dr. Groot hair thickening shampoo, clinical tests showed a literally jaw-dropping 82.2% reduction in hair loss due to breakage. I mean, just imagine keeping over 80% more of your hair simply by changing how you wash it in the shower. That's the power of a genuinely science-backed approach.
But it goes way beyond just stopping breakage. 89%. Tests proved a staggering 89% increase in hair softness when using their miracle in-shower treatment. And honestly, here's the kicker. That transformation happens in just 5 seconds. 5 seconds. It's an immediate, totally measurable improvement. So, you're probably wondering, how on earth are these massive numbers actually possible?
That brings us to Section 1, the root of the issue, your scalp.
It's a simple truth, but healthy hair starts at a healthy scalp. You really can't build a strong house on a crumbling foundation, and you definitely can't grow strong, resilient hair from a neglected scalp. Instead of just coating the hair shafts to fake a healthy look, the Dr. Groot line actively works to improve scalp hydration, soothe that frustrating dryness, and drastically reduce irritation and product buildup on the skin itself. This is the absolute foundation for fuller-looking hair. To really get this, we have to talk about the scalp biome. This is the natural ecosystem of your scalp, and it absolutely must be maintained and balanced to create a healthy environment for your hair. Think about it this way. Most of us have this dedicated multi-step skincare routine for our faces, right? Yet we'll turn right around and subject our scalp to the cheapest, harshest soap we can find at the drugstore. But it's the exact same delicate tissue. It's just hidden under your hair. Why would we treat it with any less respect?
Moving on to Section 2, powering your scalp biome with the hero ingredients.
We've seen the crazy results, right? The 82% less breakage, the 89% softer hair. Now, let's pop the hood and look at the actual science making those numbers a reality. We're looking at 4 powerhouse ingredients here: biotin, prebiotics, caffeine, and rosemary oil. Each one has a highly specific job, from producing keratin to balancing the environment, and they all work together to deliver strength, a healthy scalp, an energized look, and visible hair growth. Let's break down exactly how they each play their part.
First up, we've got biotin, which you probably know as vitamin B7. Think of this ingredient as the builder. Biotin is absolutely crucial because it actively supports hair strength and thickness by fueling the production of a hair protein called keratin. So, if you're dealing with weak, super brittle strands that just snap when you brush them, biotin is the builder that steps in to rescue your hair's structural integrity.
Next in the lineup, we have prebiotics. I actually really love calling this one the peacekeeper. Remember that delicate scalp biome we just talked about? Well, prebiotics are the critical ingredient that provides direct, targeted support to that natural biome. By doing that, they ensure the ecosystem of your scalp stays perfectly balanced. It's all about maintaining that healthy, peaceful environment your hair desperately needs to thrive, totally free from irritation.
And then we have caffeine. And yes, it totally wakes up your brain in the morning, but here it acts as the activator for your scalp. Caffeine gently stimulates the skin and supports healthy circulation. By keeping that blood flowing and maintaining the right conditions at the root, it actively supports hair growth and literally energizes your hair right from the source.
Rounding out our hero lineup is rosemary oil, or what we can call the nourisher. And what's really cool is that in the Dr. Groot hair thickening shampoo, this is actually delivered through these innovative biodegradable rosemary capsules. Rosemary oil is already pretty legendary in the hair growth world because it deeply nourishes the scalp. It basically acts as a foundational superfood that supports naturally healthier looking hair over time.
But of course, our heroes don't work alone. They've got a really brilliant supporting cast backing them up. We're talking keratin to reinforce the hair's structure, arginine to soothe the follicle, panthenol to pump in moisture, niacinamide to enhance the texture,
salicylic acid to gently exfoliate away any stubborn, nasty buildup, and silk protein to give you that incredible shine. It's just a remarkably comprehensive formula.
Which leads us nicely into Section 3, Clean Formula, Universal Fit.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, if these ingredients are really that powerful, is the formula going to be super harsh on my hair? The fantastic answer is no. Absolutely not. This formula is completely free from sulfates, parabens, silicones, and gluten. It takes a true clean beauty approach, completely skipping those heavy, irritating additives that you'll find in so many standard commercial shampoos. You aren't just coating your hair in silicones to fake a soft feeling, you're actually genuinely improving its health. And honestly, what I love most about this science is the inclusivity. It is formulated for all hair types. And yes, that includes color-treated hair. So whether your hair is superfine, really thick, bone straight, curly, or heavily color processed, this clean, universal fit ensures that absolutely everyone can get the benefits of a balanced scalp biome and stronger keratin structures.
All right, Section 4, the healthy scalp routine.
So how do we actually put all this science into practice in our own showers? Well, here's the optimal 3-step progression. Step 1, you're going to cleanse and prep with a hair thickening shampoo and conditioner, letting those biotin and rosemary capsules do their thing. Step 2, you follow that right up with the miracle in-shower treatment to instantly lock in that 89% increase in softness. Remember, that takes literally 5 seconds. And finally, Step 3, finish it all off with the serum and scalp revitalizing solution. It's a super logical, easy routine that builds on itself to completely transform your hair environment.
Improve hair health from root to tip. I mean, that beautiful quote really just sums up our entire core takeaway for today's explainer. True hair revitalization, it's an inside-out, scalp-first journey. By taking the time to balance your biome, stimulate your circulation, and nourish your skin with clean ingredients, you are literally building hair health from the very foundation up.
So, as we wrap things up today, I really want to leave you with a final question. Are you ready to finally treat your scalp with the respect it deserves? If you want to see that drastic reduction in breakage and experience that incredible increase in softness, the science is crystal clear. It's time to elevate our routines and start right at the root. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer today, and as always, keep learning.